The UK Ministry of Defence has officially initiated a £130 million tender, excluding VAT, as part of Project Corvus, aimed at enhancing the British Army's intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR) capabilities. This ambitious program seeks to provide a new tactical drone system capable of persistent 24-hour monitoring to support division-level operations in contested and complex environments. Listed on the Find a Tender portal, this move marks a significant step in modernizing the British Army's aerial ISR assets. The new system is designed to supersede the aging Watchkeeper WK450 Mk1, a platform in service since the early 2010s. The Watchkeeper, derived from the Israeli Hermes 450 and acquired from Thales UK at a cost exceeding £1 billion, was primarily operated by the Royal Artillery's 47th Regiment for Tactical Reconnaissance. Although the drone offered a 16-hour endurance at 15,000 feet, with speeds up to 95 knots and a 140 km operational radius, it struggled with reliability issues and integration challenges that hampered its overall effectiveness. By late 2024, Defense Secretary John Healey announced its premature retirement, noting that just 11 of the 54 drones remained operational. Recognizing these shortcomings, the UK is now focusing on procuring a drone system that better fits today's demanding operational landscape. The future platform must deliver Land Tactical Deep Find (LTDF) capabilities, enabling sustained detection, tracking, and surveillance of ground threats over extended distances. It should function reliably in contested airspace, support rapid coalition data exchange, and operate effectively in GPS-denied or degraded environments. These capabilities underscore the increasing emphasis on electronic resilience and secure communications amid modern electronic warfare threats, as demonstrated by ongoing conflicts such as in Ukraine. The lessons from the Ukraine war have heavily influenced this initiative. Research by the Royal United Services Institute, RUSI, indicates that drones like the Turkish Bayraktar TB2 have become vulnerable to advanced air defenses and electronic countermeasures. This evolving threat environment demands ISR platforms that can withstand electronic attack, possibly complemented by space-based assets like low Earth orbit satellites or high-altitude surveillance balloons. Cost considerations are also pivotal. RUSI suggests that an effective ISR drone should ideally cost around $200,000 per unit, pushing the UK MoD to seek a cost-effective yet capable solution, steering away from the expensive legacy programs. Project Corvus will proceed through a structured procurement path, starting with a pre-qualification questionnaire, PQQ, to filter potential suppliers ahead of a full tender release expected in early 2026. The initial contract will span 5 years from May 2026, with an option to extend until 2036. The tender also contemplates additional purchases and phased upgrades, highlighting the requirement for the platform's long-term adaptability and scalability. The overarching goal is to equip British ground forces with a highly capable ISR tool that remains operational in high-threat, degraded conditions where air dominance cannot be guaranteed and data integrity is at constant risk. This next-generation tactical drone will play a critical role in restoring persistent battlefield awareness through discrete surveillance, tightly integrated within joint and coalition operational frameworks. With Project Corvus, the UK is advancing into a new era of unmanned aerial systems, focusing on aligning procurement strategies with the realities of modern warfare and drawing clear lessons from recent conflicts. The successful contractor will be tasked with delivering a drone platform that meets stringent endurance, robustness, and flexibility standards, reinforcing the British Army's commitment to rapid response and enhanced tactical intelligence.